This is question number 15. It says a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower and a man is standing at the top of the tower, observes the angle, observes a car at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. So what we can do is to first make a highway and a tower. Let's say this be, say AB be the tower and say C be a point where there is a car, right? And the angle of depression is formed here is 30 degrees. So let's make an horizontal so as to make an angle of depression. Let's join A with C first, joining A with C, and this angle is mentioned as 30 degree. Now, as you read the question later, you find that when the car is approaching towards the foot of a tower with an angle of with a uniform speed, that means the car is moving in this direction, right? The car is moving in this direction, and after 6 seconds, it says the new angle of depression so formed is 60 degrees. So the angle of depression has changed now. So let's the new position of the car is D, and the angle of depression now is 60 degree. So by applying the alternate interior angles, this angle is also 30 and this is also 60 degree, this being a vertical with a base that is 90 degree. And the time taken from D to C is given as 6 seconds. And we have to find the time taken from D to B. As of now, I can take as T seconds, right? So we have to find out the time taken, that is B to D. We can take this height as H in this case. Now, after that, what we can do is we will apply trigonometric ratios in this case. So we can start with so the first triangle here, that is triangle ABD is a right angle. ABC we can start with ABC. And for that, as you can see in the figure, we'll be applying tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to perpendicular in this case is H and the base is BC. Replacing tan 30 with its value, that is 1 over root 3, which is 1 over root 3 is equal to H over BC. With cross multiplication, we'll get BC is equal to root 3H. That's the first equation. Now, similarly, we will apply the same thing on the other triangle. So the other triangle here is in triangle ABD, and here we'll be applying tan 60 degree. Perpendicular remains H in this case, and the base here is BD. Tan 60 is root 3, and this is H over BD. So by cross multiplication, we'll get BD as H by root 3. This is our second equation. Now, next, as you can see here, the car is moving with a uniform speed. That means speed is constant throughout the journey. So we'll be finding the speed in both the cases and we'll equate them. So you should know that the relation, that is speed is equal to distance over time. So I'm considering the two speed, say as S1 and S2, and they are equal. S1 being the first case 1 from here to here. So speed is equal to distance upon time. As you can see clearly, the distance is from here to here, that is BC, and the time taken will be this plus this, that means T plus 6 seconds. In the second part, the distance covered is B to D, and that is distance covered is B to D, that is BD, and the time taken is T seconds. Now, after that, we are going to replace BC with its value from here and here. As I can see, BC is root 3H, and this is T plus 6 seconds. BD is H over root 3, and the time taken is T seconds. Now, we are doing cross multiplications, but before that, we can see that some numbers here getting cancelled, so we can cancel them. That is H and H get cancelled here. So I'm rewriting this properly. I can see this is root 3 over T plus 6, and this is 1 over root 3 and into 1 over T. Now with cross multiplication, this is when we do cross multiplication, this is root 3 into root 3 will give you 3 times T, and this is T plus 6. As you can clearly see on transposing, we'll get 3t minus t, that is 2t is equal to 6 seconds. That implies t is equal to 6 seconds. So this is what we had to get. That is the time taken from B to D. That's what the final question is. Says find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So this point is they by that they mean to say D, right? Not C. That means the time taken from D to C, which is no, that's 3 seconds, right? Sorry, that is 6 divided by this is 2t is equal to 6. So it will be 6 divided by 2, that is 3 seconds is the final answer.